Close up. What's up, everyone? This is a family edition of Body Armor with Tank. This is my wife, Audrey, and this is our son, Dexter. So now, today we're going to be talking about shoulder pain and a lot of young moms and dads as they come back into training after they have a young kid. Shoulder pain is extremely common. So Audrey, she is an athlete. She trains 5 days a week. She does CrossFit. She does muscle ups and handstand push-ups and snatches and clean and jerks and all in trying to be the best version of herself as possible. So now, about 11 months ago, this little dude entered the world. She got all the way back to where she is now, back to doing muscle ups, back to doing everything that she wants to do. But recently, as she's been going up over her head and doing a lot of the kipping work, a lot of the ring work, she's been having this shoulder pain right kind of like on the front of that left shoulder. After looking at it, right, her positioning's pretty good. And she's super strong. She worked her shoulders a ton leading up to giving birth and also as she's come back in. But the one thing that we found, which has actually been the key to helping her fix her shoulder problem, was her elbow and her shoulder position as she was holding our son Dexter. Now Dexter's getting big, right? He's not the whitest kid in the world. And she carries him a lot around the house and up and down the steps and like all parents do. And what she was doing was she was really kind of hiking that elbow up, rolling that shoulder forward and trying to support him here. And what she was noticing, she was getting super tied up through the front of the pec and she was having a lot of shoulder pain. So now, for that fix, fixing her shoulder pain was as easy as one, having her continue to do the ball around the shoulder the way that she's been doing, working on all the strengthening of that shoulder. But the thing that really did it was changing the elbow position while she's holding Dexter. Now, holding a kid and working in the gym is, we're going to see these very similar positions. One, if we have that elbow kind of flared out, that elbow shoulder rolled forward, right, that's a bad bench press position. That's a bad pulling position of the shoulder, right? And what we know is we get a lot of pain on the front of that shoulder with that poor rolled forward positioning. Now, holding Dexter as he's gotten older, right, has turned into the same thing. So to fix this, we had her tuck that shoulder back and down, kind of keep that elbow down to really create a nice strong shoulder girdle. And now ever since she's been doing that, she's been able to get back to doing pull-ups, getting back to doing muscle ups and toe to bar and shoulder to overhead without any shoulder pain. All based off of that little small fix. So ladies, guys, if you have shoulder pain and you have a new kid, and it's in the same arm that you tend to hold your son or daughter in, let's tuck that elbow down, keep that shoulder back so that we can take a little bit of pressure off the front of that shoulder so that you can train better. So everyone, this is Dr. Chancini, Ground Over Red PT. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel, helping you, yourself, an athlete, come at you to be the best version of yourself possible. And we bring this to you daily. So guys, thank you so much for the family edition. Dexter, Audrey, we'll see you next time. Yeah.